Here's an Elecrtophonics stereo I think I've done a video on before, but I've got my 8 tracks out. We're going to mess around with them. We're going to mess around with the... We got some... Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. And we got some decent ones in here. See what kind of trash is on the radio. Start at the bottom of the dial.
Last year. So why is Sloppy...
Oh God, this song. That song can fall off the earth and crash and burn in hell.
Roughly 20 minutes ago. It popped out, almost swallowed. I like it.
Ghetto trash. Something decent, but they play it so damn often, I hate it.
We'll do it tonight.
I think this is Hits 106.
Commercial free.
93.3 FLZ.
Tell me that you have. Too sexy for this girl. Too sexy for your girl. Too sexy for this.
See what's on AM. Here's my station. Spanish.
Anything more sizzling than the grill. Where'd you...
Be yourself. With moment. Train. The air.
Look at what you did to me.
I'm the old technique. I treat my shoes like my ride. Chrome on the fat laces and the wood on the inside. Spray candy on the swoosh. With electric roof. Kiss up for that kid on the soul. I was alive and was...
sooner. De manejo o crédito.
Okay, let's try one of the 8-track. I seem to remember this thing having a problem where it would just shut down right at it, would like the voltage would fade or something would happen after it's been playing for a little bit. But let's see what we got. We got Pure Gold. What songs are on here? Hold On. One thing that these people or 8-tracks were common for doing, especially on the Juice Newton Queen of Hearts album, or on the 8-track of the Queen of Hearts 8-track. You know what's so stupid? You'd think that for the hit song they would put it all on one program, but no, they had to split it up between two. You know, they couldn't put the lesser known tracks. You know, they couldn't put those, divide those up on 2 tracks. They just had to put the hit song on. They just had to split the hit song on the album over 2 tracks, because you know, we heaven forbid we couldn't put one of the non-hit tracks on there. Come on. Damn it. Hold on. Come on. Let me just set these speakers down here so they don't... Oh, come on. Well, that would explain it. The fucking pressure pad's gone. I want to get an 8-track recorder. I remember I got one. It was a realistic one, and the head was all messed up, so I ended up throwing it away. But I've tried recording on 8 tracks. It's a pain in the ass. And honestly, doing it on a cassette's just easier. I mean, these are pretty neat. They're a cool piece of history, but they're not really that good. They weren't really that good to begin with, I don't think. I mean, I do have about like 100 of these, but a lot of them being gospel. But just for having them, just like as like a novelty, it's pretty cool. But they're not really. I don't think they're not really that much to write home about. I mean, yeah, that is pretty cool, like the shape and all that stuff. But I mean, they weren't really that good to begin with.
When
That actually sounds good, but listen. Slows down. Let's try a different tape. I got the truck dryer here. We'll just try this tape. Viva Gallons. Remember, I got it at the Gun Highway Flea Market. It was a Beach Boys tape. I didn't even look at the tape part. I paid like dearly for it. I think I paid like $10 for it. Didn't even have the damn tape in there.
John Henry's pappy woke him up one midnight. He said,
I don't want to butcher Johnny too much. The Jailhouse Now. There's a lot of good songs on here. There's some good. Remember, I had a radio station running on an 8-track tape. What song is this? Knowing Me, Knowing You by ABBA. At least they give you a little thing here to mess with this. At least this thing's made out of a wood cabinet. I'll give them that. Obviously it's covered with veneer. I just took one of these old moldy wooden fan blades to act as kind of like a ground between this little metal table and the chassis. Here's the mechanism. Made in Japan. Here's the chassis. It's got this big filter capacitor here. If this tuning string gets broken, it's going straight into the garbage, or it's going to be a 8-track player only. But I doubt many people had these repaired when they screwed up. It does have this little pin thing back here. Here's the belt. It's a little loose. I may try bowling it. Let's try and stretch this belt around this thing. Let's try it. This song. It's England Dan and John Ford Coley. I'd really love to see you tonight. 1976. Let's try and fix this belt where it's not gonna sag.
and I don't want to change your life.
Cotter. Who's that by? I just look up Welcome Back Cotter theme song. I'm gonna try cleaning that spindle. You fucking piece of shit. Fucking mechanism. Pissing me off. Trying to feed that thing back in there. We're gonna use some gospel tape, and if it gets screwed up, I don't care. I'd be damned if this stuff's copyrighted. Naturally, it's going to play it right. Well, it might be because it has somewhat of a pressure pad left. I'm going to save the shell that this came out of, just so I can find the songs, and the tape went in the garbage.
How many eggs are in bread and meat with a good...
Truckers.